Dah. Okey. Nak pakai kereta color apa? Merah, hijau, biru, purple, orange.
Hijau.
Hijau. Okey, so dia sama je peraturannya. Okey, Nadra kena baca. Kalau Nadra baca sendiri, kereta Nadra gerak 2 petak. Kalau cikgu tolong atau mama tolong gerak 1 petak sahaja. Nadra kena baca sampai dekat tamat, barulah dikira sebagai pemenang. Okey, faham?
Faham?
Okey, dah sedia? Okey, baca.
Saya ada jiran.
Betul, saya ada jiran. So, dapat gerak 2 petak. Okey, next, baca.
Ah,
Ya,
ayah
ayah.
Fatimah
Betul, Fatimah.
hak
Pak.
dolah.
Betul. Ayah Fatimah, Pak Dolah. Okey. Dapat gerak lagi 2 petak. Okay, next.
Sabun
U.
sub subuh
Subuh.
lagi pak dolah a akan ke sawan sawah.
Betul. Subuh lagi, Pak Dolah akan ke sawah. Okey, 2 petak. Okay, next.
Hari-hari makmunah Tuhan
Baca
behal
ni je. Baca yang belakang ni.
bekalkan
Okey, bekalkan.
pak dolah nasi dan ikan.
Betul. Hari-hari Mak Munah bekalkan Pak Dola nasi dan ikan. Okey, dapat gerak 2 petak. Okey, satu lagi. Alright.
Mah
Okey, Fatimah.
lah kasih pada ibu
Okey,
dan
sini dan okey.
ayah.
Betul. Fatimah pula kasih pada ibu dan ayah. So dapat gerak lagi 2 petak sampai dekat tamat. Yeay. Dah menang. Nanti boleh minta hadiah RM2 dengan Mak. Okey. Dan nanti juga Nadra kena baca sebab cerita ni penuh tau. Dia panjang lagi sebenarnya cerita pasal Fatimah tu. Nanti kalau Nadra nak tahu apa jadi dengan Fatimah tu, Nadra kena baca buku 7, muka surat 15. Tahu. Alright, so kita break sekejap dalam 5 minit. Nanti 8.50 kita jumpa balik untuk Rizzy eh. Okay, bye.
Sampai satu dulu nanti
Nanti mama ya tu.
Assalamualaikum.
Dan cikgu Alia bas tangan.
Okey.
Tak buka tu. Okey.
Okey. Ingat tak hari tu kita belajar bunyi apa? Hari Jumaat lepas.
Bunyi dah.
Betul. Okay, so today we are going to see pictures that begin with the. Okay, the first picture. What picture is this? Cute kan? Hmm.
Apa tu? Dalam bahasa Melayu apa tu?
Hmm.
Cakap meja.
Meja.
Alright, meja in English we call it desk.
Dah.
Desk.
Desk. Okay, say desk.
Desk.
Alright, so can you hear the sound the when we say desk?
Yes.
Yes, say the desk.
Dah. Desk.
Alright, very good. Okay, next picture. What picture is this? Cakap je dalam bahasa Melayu kalau awak tahu bahasa Melayu dia.
Dalam bahasa Melayu apa tu?
Baju.
Baju. Okay, this is dress.
Ada.
Dress. Alright, say it. Dress.
Dress.
Alright, so can you hear the sound the when we say dress?
Yes.
Very good. Say the dress.
Dah. Dress.
Okay, good. Next picture. Who is this?
Doctor.
Doctor. That's correct. Can you hear the sound the when we say doctor?
Yes.
Yes, say the doctor.
Dah. Doctor.
Very good. Okay, next. What is this? Yeah, okay. We call it doll.
Doll.
Doll. Say it again. Doll.
Doll.
All right. So can you hear the sound the when we say doll?
Yes.
Yes. Say the doll.
Dah. Doll.
Very good. Next picture. What is this?
Apa tu? Apa ni?
Duck.
Correct. Duck. Correct. So can you hear the sound the when we say duck?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Say the duck.
Dah. Duck.
All right. Let's say it again. The duck.
Dah. Duck.
The doll.
Dah. Doll.
The doctor.
Dah. Doctor.
The dress.
Dah. Dress.
The desk.
Dah. Desk.
Very good. Okay, so next we are going to do activity book 1, page 30.
Bang, buat. Bang.
Okay.
Apa ni? Masih ada dua lagi. Kalau statue. Dah lah. Kenapa nak tidur?
Nah, alright. So kena koyakkan, kena pakai watercolor kan? Koyakkan daripada buku.
Koyakkan.
Koyakkan je puan, nanti dia tak melekat.
Mama koyakkan.
Okay. So ada orang dalam itu. Ini apa ni? Ada hasil.
Nanti hari tu buat kan?
Saya lagi macam tu. Saya tamat.
Boleh?
Okay. Write your name first. Boleh nama pendek je.
Okay.
Nama pendek awak apa? Nadra ke Alia?
Alia.
Oh, Alia. So you prefer me to call you Alia or call Nadra?
Alia. Kak
Alia.
Mak panggil Alia.
Oh, Alia. Alright. So after this, cikgu panggil awak Alia lah. Okay, dah tulis nama Alia? Dah. Okay. So kita nak tulis. So kita nak guna watercolor first. Okay, what is the sound? The. Okay. So cikgu tulis dulu, cikgu tunjuk. Kita nak tulis the, kita mula dengan bulan sabit sini dulu. Okay, so ada bulan sabit.
Betul.
Okay, tiang lampu. Alright, what is the sound?
The.
Yeah, very good. Okay, Alia buat kat kertas Alia pula.
Pink.
Hmm. Basahkan tangan. Okay, pilih color apa?
Pink.
Pink. Sama lah dengan cikgu pink. Alright, okay, so kita buat bulan sabit dulu. Okay, say bulan sabit.
Bulan sabit.
Okay, do you need more color?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, and then baru kita buat tiang lampu. Right. What is the sound? Oh, belum habis lagi. Okay.
Okay, dah.
Okay. What is the sound?
The.
The. Alright. Very good. So kita buat yang ni pun kita buat dengan watercolor juga. Boleh kan? Muat jari. Okay. So kita buat sama-sama. Jom kita buat bulan sabit. Okay. Tiang lampu. Alright. What is the sound?
The.
The. Okay. Lap jari dulu. Alright. Next one ni kita nak guna pensel boleh. Nak guna crayon pun boleh.
Warna ni, warna.
Warna.
Pencil. Color pencil.
Color pencil.
Okay. Guna color pencil boleh. Okay. Jom kita buat sama-sama. Kita buat sama-sama. Kita buat bulan sabit. Tiang lampu. What is the sound?
The.
The. Okay. Buat lagi bulan sabit. Tiang lampu. What is the sound?
The.
Very good. Bulan sabit. Tiang lampu. What is the sound?
The.
The. Next one. Bulan sabit. Tiang lampu. What is the sound?
The.
The. Good. Bulan sabit. Tiang lampu. Dan. Kalah lagi cikgu. Alright. So kita buat yang bawah ni. Nak pakai pencil color juga. Terus dia pakai pencil color boleh. Okay. Sambung dot-dot tu. Okay. Bulan sabit. Tiang lampu. What is the sound?
The.
The. Okay. Bulan sabit. Tiang lampu. What is the sound? The. Bulan sabit. Tiang lampu. What is the sound?
Dan.
Dan. Sound dia apa? Sound dia bukan dan. Sound dia. Very good. Okay. Stiker. Okay. Stiker. Ada stiker?
Ada.
Stiker. Okay. Letak stiker. Berapa
Hmm.
stiker?
5.
5 juga. Okay.
6 ni.
Dah jadi
Oh.
6. Alright. Okay. 6. Okay,
6
letak tepi tu. Okay, jom kita tengok dekat screen. Okay, today now I'm going to show you how to read. Okay, tapi ni senang je. Okay. Okay, listen first. B, A, D. Bad. Okay, listen again. B, A, D. Bad. Alright, say the sound with me, Alia. B, A, D.
The.
Bad. Okay, now Alia say the sound.
Ba. A. The.
Bad. Very good. Okay, next word. Listen to me. H, A, D. Had. Listen again. H, A, D. Had. All right. Say the sound with me. H, A, D. Had. Okay. Alia, say the sound.
H. A. The. Had.
Okay. A ni jangan buka mulut besar sangat. Senyum. Macam senyum. Say A. Ya, boleh buka A. Tak besar Okay. Alright. So let's go to next word. Okay, listen to me first. D, A, D. Dad. Listen again. D, A, D. Dad. Alright. Let's say the sound together with me. D, A, D. Dad. Okay. Alia, say the sound.
The. A. The. Dad.
Dad. Very good. Okay. Next word. Listen to me. A, D. Mud. Listen again. A, D. Mud. All right. Say the sound with me. A, D. Mud. All right. Alia, say the sound.
I. A.
A,
Dah.
A, jangan besar sangat. A senyum. Cikgu panggil dia A senyum. Kita kena senyum. A,
Ah.
mad.
Mad. Okay.
Alright. Okay. Very good. Okay, kita nak buku. Kita nak tulis. Buku tulis.
Pakai kat sini.
Right, dengan pensel. We are going to read, spell and write.
Dah.
Hijau.
Kan lagi.
Hijau.
Open a new page.
Hijau. Ni belum. Ha.
Kali ni kau belum? 3.
3 Jun.
3 Jun.
Tulis tarikh. Tulis tarikh. 3/6/2024.
Ini sama 6.
3,
Kat sini.
6,
Ke.
2020. Oh, tak cantik cikgu punya. 2.
Kalau 3 tak ada slash jadi 36.
Selalu tulis slash ke tulis titik?
Slash. Biasa slash. Okay.
Ni tu sama. Ni tu sama.
Terus.
Ada.
Okay. Alright. Okay, read first.
Bad.
Bad. Okay, spell.
B-A-D.
Bad.
Bad.
Okay, write down. Bad.
B-A.
A tu jangan besar sangat mulut. Ingat, A senyum.
Allah Akbar. Terkejut saya. Ni apa? Di atas meja. Sebab tak lalu.
Okay.
Dah.
Okay, dah. Alright, next word. Read the word.
Had.
Had. Okay, spell had.
A-A-D.
Had. Alright, write down. Had.
A-A-D.
Had. Very good. Next word. Read the word.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dad. Alright, spell that.
D-A-D.
Dad. Alright, write dad.
Dan.
Dan. Okay, last word.
Mad.
Mad. Okay, spell mad.
M-A-D.
Mad. Okay, write down. Mad.
M-A-D.
Mad. Alright, very good. Okay, read all the words you have written.
Bad. Had. Dad. Mad.
Very good. Okay, letak tepi buku tu. Okay, let's do one more work. Activity book 1, page 17.
Macam mana tak buat?
Oh, ya kat hotel. Belum.
Alright, write down your name, Alia.
Tadi tengok laju kami.
Ya. Cepat dekat tu sayang.
Dah.
Alright, okay. What is the sound?
Dah.
Deh, very good. Okay, dia kena meletup tau. Kena cakap deh, bukan de. Okay, sekali lagi. Deh.
Dah.
Okay, very good. So we are going to find pictures that begin with the. Okay, and match it to the sound. Alright, let's see. The first picture, what is this?
Dress.
Dress, correct. Does dress begin with the?
Yes.
Yes, say the dress.
The dress.
And then draw a line from dress to the. Okay, done. Okay, next picture, what is this?
Penguin.
Penguin. Does penguin begin with the?
No.
No. Okay, next picture, what is this?
Tadi. Nama bahasa Melayu ni. Nama bahasa Inggeris apa?
Desk. Desk. Okay, say desk.
Desk.
Okay, very good. So does desk begin with the?
Yes.
Yes, say the desk.
The desk.
Desk, okay? And draw a line from desk to the. Okay, done.
Done.
Okay, next picture. What is this?
Apa ni?
Hmm, it's a seal.
Seal.
Seal. So does seal begin with the?
No.
No. Okay, next picture. What is this?
Doll.
Doll. Does doll begin with the?
Yes.
Yes, say the doll.
The doll.
And draw a line from doll to the.
Then.
Then next picture. What is this?
Makan apa ni?
Sudu.
Di dalam
Spoon.
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 Ada masa
Ada
lain?
kat depan. Spoon.
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 Kenapa tengok pembaris?
Comel kembalian.
Okay. Alright. Okay, spoon. Does spoon begin with the?
No.
No. Okay, next picture. What is this?
Snail.
Snail.
Snail. So does snail begin with the?
No.
No. Okay, next picture. What is this? Duck. So does duck begin with the?
Yes.
Yes, say the duck.
The duck.
Okay, and draw a line from duck to the. Okay, so next picture. What is this?
Jadi kita pakai. Okay.
Socks.
Socks.
Socks. Does socks begin with the?
No.
No. So we go to last picture. What is this?
Doctor.
Doctor. So does doctor begin with the?
Yes.
Yes. Say the doctor.
The doctor.
And draw a line from doctor to the. Okay. Dah siap? Boleh letak stiker.
5.
5.
Macam tak.
Tak atas ni. Atas
So,
stand.
2, 3, 4, 5. Semua ada purple. Purple
Alright.
semua.
Cikgu ambil masa 1 minit lagi. 1 minit je cikgu nak tunjuk. What picture is this? Kenal tak? Kenal. Okay, Daisy Duck.
Daisy.
Okay, Daisy Duck.
Macam sama.
Macam apa?
Baju warna sama.
Baju awak sama. Okay. Okay, nama dia Daisy and she is a duck. Okay, so dia ada lagu. Okay, tengok cikgu nyanyi. Cikgu buat Ingat tak hari tu bunyi the kan? Bunyi dia throbbing heart kan? Okay, so this one is Daisy Duck. The. Daisy Duck. The. Daisy Duck. The. Let us say the sound of the. Let us say the sound of the. Okay, boleh? Kita nyanyi sama-sama boleh? Okay, Daisy Duck Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Daisy Duck.
The.
Daisy Duck.
Daisy
Daisy Duck.
the
Let us say the sound of
last
the sound of the. Let us say the sound of. What is the sound?
the
Okay, very good. Alright, sampai situ saja kelas kita untuk hari ini. Cikgu Lina ambil gambar. kita smile, look at the screen. Ni kita bagi mini lah. Alright, Alia. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Blur,
teacher.
tiba-tiba dia blur.
Alright, okay, good night. Bye. Assalamualaikum.
Salam.